Hello everyone, Glow here, Yummy Extensions resident hairstylist. In today's video, we're going to be making a lace wig using one of our 13x6 raw Cambodian curly wave frontals. But guess what? We're going to be turning our frontal into a 7x6 lace closure. Do you want to get the frontal look without all of the maintenance? If so, keep on watching. We're going to start by measuring our 13x6 raw Cambodian curly wave frontal. In this measuring technique, I just show you that the closure is true 13x6, and then we find the middle so we can bust it down to make it a 7x6 lace closure. Finding the middle will ensure that we are even on both sides. You'll see me marking the place to where I'm going to be cutting the frontal to make it a 7x6 lace closure. For this custom unit, we're going to be using 2 of our raw Cambodian curly wave bundles. We started with a 13x6 lace frontal, and we turned that lace frontal into a 7x6 lace closure. We made this frontal into a closure because we're trying to get the frontal look without all of the maintenance. Still get that frontal illusion and still being able to pull your wig on and off at your own convenience. Here I am drawing guidelines to show you where to place your wefts. Don't you just love our raw Cambodian curly wave? It's perfect for the summer. My client has arrived. I know she's going to love this new unit. Now to cut the lace. And add the baby hairs. After her install, we have sprayed a little bit more water and conditioner to define the curls. We use our Coastal Professional Blow Dry with the diffuser attachment to set them in place. This is her final look. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. See you in the next video.